Hey guys, Mike back with you from Axion. Going over another product review today. This is for our Fit guys for the GK5 and also the earlier Fit. We have a hybrid racing shifter. A beautiful design. Just wanted to show you guys the product review and what you can expect in the box. We do have the black and also the red. So you have the internal spring, super smooth operation. You're gonna get a 0 to 25% reduction in gate spacing. And then you are also 30 to 50% reduction in front and back movement. You can do the adjustment on the knob, basically up and down, depending on how high you want it or how low you want it. There's a 4-link wishbone, stainless steel bearings. It's got a rigid powder-coated steel frame and includes the 140 millimeter stainless steel shift rod. So you can find this on our store. They are in stock. Definitely much nicer than the stock feel. I definitely recommend this one. When we be getting back the Fit, I'll probably end up doing an actual review on this. So anyways, just wanted to give you guys some more parts, throwing it out there. Till next time.